kewser, son of kuresh. He will be sharing with us his opinion and feeling of the violation committed by the Chinese occupation in East Turkestan.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
Good evening.
So here we are again on a protest. The Israelis are protesting, the Palestinians are protesting, vegetarians are protesting for animal rights, and we Uyghurs are protesting for freedom and inequality. But why are we standing here? So why are we protesting? We stand here to speak for those whose voices are silenced. We stand there to raise our arms, to be seen for the people who are taken and covered by the Chinese government. Now, I just turned 20 years old and I was privileged to celebrate it with friends and family. But had I been in China, I'd be celebrating that birthday in a re-education camp, prone to brainwashing, torture. Also, I've also been celebrating my 1-year anniversary of coming to that brainwashing re-education camp. There are women in Xinjiang, they're being forced to marry Chinese men because all the men, Uyghur men, are taken. They're seen as threats. From age of 19 to 45 are all taken to these re-education camps. So women are forced to marry the Chinese men because there are no other men left to marry because they've all been taken into the jails, these camps. We stand here not united by blood or friendship or mutual friendship. We're here because we're united by mutual identity, a mutual pain, and a mutual suffering. We're gathered here because if we don't stand here to speak about the suffering, who else will? We are here in Sweden as guests. No matter how many of us are born here, we are always will be guests here. And we're fighting to have a chance to be able to go back to our own homeland that is right now under Chinese occupation. The Chinese have painted the Uyghurs as separatists and terrorists. And the world is ignorant of who we are. Ignorance leads to fear. Fear leads to hate. Hate leads to isolation. And isolation leads to desolation. And lastly, that leads to devastation. We have been ignored. We have been feared. Hate has always persevered. We've been isolated. We've been desolated. And I hope that you won't let us be devastated. Thank you.